Once you've already signed up successfully, either as a shopper or a salesperson, the next step would be to log into the entity in order to transact. In this example, I'll be demonstrating how the experience that the shopper group goes through once the sign up process has been completed. So in the sign up here, we will notice that this particular user has signed up to 3 entities as a shopper. So selecting the first entity, we go through the login, the first time login process. And in this process, one is now required to enter their personal information. So the first thing the system does, is to check if already you are registered as a customer. If not, then it allows you now to register. Now in this screen, you notice some fields are in red, some are in gray. So the fields which have red comments, those are mandatory fields. So for example, here we have the mobile number field, which is mandatory because it's typical, is normally used for mobile money payments where applicable, and also to be able to contact customers when necessary. So we can enter values, we can enter a fictitious number here, but of course you need to enter a valid number to be able to be contacted in case of anything. On the location tab, there is a button to enable GPS, your present GPS coordinates to be taken. And this, of course, would be used in say scenarios where if you wanted to provide delivery services, then your physical address can be obtained. The other option is simply to enter your address, the name of your physical address, and that will also just be sufficient enough. So I'll just press that so that you see how the button behaves. So in case you change your mind, then you just press the same button again, and then it will ignore the GPS coordinates. Now for this example, I'll just put a locality in Kenya called Ongatarongai. Okay. And since the other options are already in place, I will just leave them by default just for demonstration. For financial, the payment terms have been locked into payment in advance, so nothing else to change there. So I'll press the red button to create the customer. So it goes to the backend, creates the customer successfully, and then gives you the option to continue to order. So there, it will give me the user consent to either proceed with logging onto the screen, having been aware that my personal information will be used in the system.